We are in 6634 on the Disney Wonder. We are in a 7A, which is a Navigator's veranda, but it's a pretty open Navigator's veranda. This one just has an obstruction, and it's a pretty minimal obstruction. So it's a good way to get a regular veranda at a better price. This one does not sleep 4 because there is no pull down right there. And it's a nice size room. Lots of storage. And you can see here, we are in the Port of Vancouver today. And you can see our veranda. I'm not going to try to open it, but that is our obstruction there. And that is why it is classified as 7A. And that's it. Thanks for watching.